valedictor. When I was young, I told your lolo, thank you. When I was young, after graduation from high school, I told your lolo Isidro that I am going to take up medicine. But he told me no because I can't afford to send you to school to take up medicine because we are not rich. Mm. Yes, I won up top 10 ako sa klase. Ikaw top 1. Ah, no, no. No. Upper kwan yan, top 10, meaning to say, from the highest, from rank 1 to rank 10. No, rank 1. Rank 1 is equivalent to valedictorian. Rank 2 is equivalent to salutatorian. Rank 3 is third place. Rank 4 is fourth place. Rank 5th is fifth place. See? That's it. Eh si Mami Tentay, Magic 6 lang ako. Yes. Oo. Kaya lang Lolo Sidro told me to take up education. So I became a teacher. Yes, because I was able to graduate as a teacher, education. I was able to finish my college course taking up education. So I am a teacher. Ah, oo, ganun lang. No, 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 not high honors, but only fifth place on sixth place. Yeah. Yes. My favorite subject is mathematics. Just enough, just enough. Where's your mommy? Oh, really? Okay. My food today for lunch is, ang akin ulam ngayon is sinigang na bangus. And my favorite food is sinigang na bangus. May sinigang na bangus. Sinigang na bangus. Yes, it's my favorite. Okay? Okay? Ah, no. I sing old songs, but I did not go out. I just stayed at home. Dito na ako sa bahay. Wala akong component. So that is why hindi ako nakakanta. Kasi wala rin si Mama Helen. Kaya ako lang dito. Wala din dito si Mama Helen. So sino kasama ko kakanta? Si Kuya Luis ay sa outside. Went out with friends. No, not exactly. Okay lang. Just enough. Bakit ako malungkot? Kasi binati naman ako ni Bambam. Bati din sila Mama Helen, sila Mami, si Mama, Mami mo, Mama, Mama sa Mamu. Oh, everybody. Diba? Binati nila ako. O binati mo ako. O diba? So dahil binati ninyo ako, so thank you and I'm happy na. Kasi yes, of course, I'm very happy because you send me your greetings. Yes. Oh, sinong gwapo? Wow. Oo, kaya lang ang layo niyan, eh.